Hi, thanks for using mosnotes.com for your algebra homework help needs. This is an algebra video on matrices. A matrix, singular, is a group of numbers independent of one another contained within two brackets with columns and rows. And with these matrices we can do various operations: addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So if you want to add them together, the first thing you need to do before you even bother trying is you need to make sure they're the same size. It has 3 columns and 3 rows, so does this one. They can be added together. So to do that, put them like this, and now add each one from this one to its corresponding one from this one, like so. Okay, so let's have our new matrix. This is going to be the solution matrix. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Negative 1, 1, 0. Negative 2, 3 is negative 5. 8 plus 4, 12. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. And negative 5. You can also subtract them. Basically the same idea. Okay. This time we're going to subtract them. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus negative 3 is the same as saying negative 2 plus 3, so 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. And negative 4 minus negative 1 is negative 3. Okay. Okay. You can also multiply a constant by a matrix. So when you do that, you're just going to multiply each number by the constant. 3, that's 9. 4 times 3 is 12, etc. Pretty straightforward there. And the more complicated version of multiplication is multiplying 2 matrices. This is the most complicated operation you're going to deal with in algebra. Okay? Here, the first thing you need to do is make sure that rows here equals columns here. And they do. So that means they're compatible for multiplication. Line them up like we did before, and the end result. Now, what's different now is you're going to do 3 times 5 plus 4 times negative 3 plus negative 1 times 3, and that's going to be a result here. So 15, negative 12, negative 3, that's going to be 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 16. Negative 2. 20. Negative 2. 10. Negative 10. Negative 24. 9. 4. 20. Negative 15. Negative 12. And the same there. And that's how you multiply 2 matrices. Just remember, they have to be compatible. They have to have rows here equaling columns here, otherwise the answer is undefined. And those are the various types of operations you're going to deal with in matrices.